What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Take Peace. Yes, sir. You already know what time it is. Today, oh, it's a totally different video today. This is going to be me showing people who need support about fixing their monitors when basically one monitor pops up and the other one doesn't. It's not detecting the second monitor. And yeah. So I watched a few videos from this guy and other YouTubers basically trying to fix the situation that I was in. I could not drop for the past 2 days and I was frustrated because I watched these videos. They did not help me. When they showed me where to go, I guess they helped me, but at the same time, they, they didn't click on the things that I clicked on to basically fix my problem. Now, some of y'all might have had the same issues or are having the same issues. And I'm gonna show y'all basically what I did. And I'm not saying that none of the other YouTubers that made videos are not helping y'all. They're not it's not helping, but it might help most of y'all. I hope this video helps y'all. And if it does, let me know in the comment section if it does help y'all. And I will drop a few more of these videos to let y'all know if y'all having other issues, how to fix it. And basically, yeah, I've been going through it. I've been buying new cables, thinking it was the cables. Um, I even like clean my PC, even though I know you're supposed to clean it, but mine wasn't really that dirty, but I still cleaned it, sprayed the CPU, the RAM, all that good stuff, took it apart. And also, yeah, I just brought new I did a lot, bro, these past few days, and I was just so annoyed. Even went to Best Buy, talked to Geek Squad to ask them some questions to get an insight on what I should do, type shit. But um, they basically was guiding me in the same spot that I already been in. Like I already tried everything that they told me to do, and it didn't work. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did, and hopefully this helps y'all if y'all are in this situation that I'm in. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go to start, go to your settings, go to display, and then what you're gonna see, I'm gonna put a picture on the left side of what y'all should see if your monitor's not being detected or not showing up. Like mine's are showing up though, but it should show that on these little right here, basically it's gonna show, but it's gonna be like down here and it's gonna show multiple displays, just like this. You're gonna click on multiple displays, and it's gonna say detect. Make sure all these are checked. Make sure all of them are checked. Then it's gonna say detect. You're gonna hit detect. You're probably already been in that this. You probably already been in this on this side of the court already. You already know that you already clicked detect. It showed y'all, and it said it wasn't detected. Basically said it's not detecting a second monitor, blah blah blah. So that's when I went and bought my own with two more USBs or display ports, and it still didn't work. So boom, I click out here. After I click detect, and it doesn't show them detecting anything for my second monitor. You want to go to device manager, and then you want to go to display adapters. Click that, and boom, the display should come up. Now y'all might have two. I only have one. So if y'all have two, first one, click on the first one. Go to driver. A lot of them say update your driver. This is what I did when I watched the video. Boom, search automatically drivers. Nothing came up for me because mine's already updated. This is all I have. So do this again for your second adaptive driver that y'all have. Do it again for the second one. If nothing come up on that one, hit exit on both of them and go back to the first one. Go to your driver, then hit. It might say enable. Hit disable device. After you hit disable device, click enable device again. Then both of your monitors should pop up. It worked for me. And I hope it worked for you guys. And if it does, let me know in the comments. Because this was my problem. This is my issue. I did everything else that everybody said, and it didn't work. And then once I finally disabled my device and enabled it again, it started working perfectly fine for me. So I hope this video helps you guys. If you do, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if it does.